Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove card on your Google Pay account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in wallet.google.com, and after that logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, next tap on payments. And after you tap on payment, this is what the interface is going to look like. Have a tap on payment method in the top left corner of your screen. In case you have a multiple card linked to your Google Pay, then what you need to do is you have to select the card that you want to remove. So all you have to do is just select the card that you want to remove, and once you select the card, this is what the interface is going to look like. So after you're directed to this page, all you have to do is tap on remove in the top right. So after you tap on remove right in center, you'll have a confirmation. So make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about removing your card, tap on remove, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully removed your card on your Google Pay account. So that is how you can remove your card on your Google Pay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.